limes, and grapefruits are evergreen and thrive in subtropical and tropical regions. They offer lush foliage, fragrant blossoms, and delicious fruit, making them a delightful garden addition. Select a citrus tree suited to your climate and space. Meyer lemons are sweet and cold tolerant, while navel oranges are perfect for fresh eating. Key limes are tart and ruby red grapefruits are juicy. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball, place the tree, backfill with soil, and water thoroughly. Mulch around the base, avoiding the trunk. Water deeply every 1-2 weeks. Use a balanced fertilizer with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Fertilize 3 times a year, early spring, and late summer, using citrus-specific fertilizer with micronutrients. Prune to maintain shape, encourage growth, and improve air circulation. Remove dead or diseased wood, thin the canopy, and trim branches growing out of shape. Prune young trees lightly and mature trees after the last frost. Control aphids with insecticidal soap, scale with horticultural oil, and spider mites with miticides. Prevent citrus canker by removing affected parts, ensure proper drainage to avoid root rot, and apply fungicides for greasy spot. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Hey guys! Have you ever thought about growing your own ginger at home? What if I told you it's super easy to do it in containers? Stick around to find out how. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ginger. It's not just a delicious addition to your meals, but it's also packed with health benefits. Plus, growing ginger in containers means you can do it anywhere. So, many of us want to grow our own herbs and spices, but sometimes we think we don't have enough space or the right conditions. Maybe you live in an apartment with a tiny balcony or no outdoor garden at all. The good news is that growing ginger in containers is a fantastic solution. It's flexible, easy, and you can move your containers around depending on the sunlight. Let's tackle this challenge together. Let's talk about what you need to grow ginger successfully. First off, you'll need a piece of fresh ginger root. Look for ones that have visible eyes or sprouts. You can find this at your local grocery store or farmer's market. Next, choose a container that's at least 12 inches deep. Ginger loves to spread out, so give it some room. Make sure your container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Now, for the soil, use a well-draining potting mix. You can mix in some compost for extra nutrients. This way, you're setting your ginger up for success right from the start. Here's the exciting part. Once you've planted your ginger, all you need to do is keep it in a warm, sunny spot and water it regularly. In about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll start to see new shoots sprouting up. This is where the magic happens. Just be patient because it typically takes about 8 to 10 months for your ginger to mature. But trust me, it's worth the wait. You'll end up with fresh ginger that you can use in your cooking or tea, and there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown ginger. To wrap things up, growing ginger in containers is not only doable but also super rewarding. You get to enjoy the process, and in the end, you'll have some fresh ginger at your fingertips. Remember, all you need is a piece of ginger, a container, some soil, and a bit of patience. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments if you plan on growing ginger or if you've tried it before. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome gardening tips. And check out my next video where we talk about other amazing herbs you can grow at home.